How would you feel if you were in a conversation where no one was listening to you? Frustrating, right? Autistic children are trying to connect with us in ways they know best. It is for us to pause and understand their attempts to communicate. How can we do that? We can do that by following their lead in a non-demanding, no teaching, no correcting kind of engagement. The aim is to have fun together and share joy. The goal of following your child's lead is to connect and stay engaged with your child for longer periods. Choose activities that your child genuinely enjoys. Sensory play is often the most engaging, and your occupational therapist can suggest the best activities for your child.
As parents, it's natural to focus on getting your child to speak. But speech is just one part of communication. Without a strong foundation, it can become inconsistent. Like a child who only speaks sometimes or needs constant prompting to interact. True progress happens when we first build meaningful engagement, helping the child stay connected and engaged for longer periods. This is the first and most crucial step. When engagement is strong, other skills like speech, social interaction, and learning develop more naturally and consistently. This is the first in a 4-part series from Communiverse India on building engagement. In this video, let's explore how to follow the child's lead and build their ability to engage with us. Building engagement, Part 1. Autistic children do want to engage with us. They communicate in ways we may not easily understand. Start by watching your child closely. What is your child interested in? Observe your child and follow their lead. Engagement begins when we join in whatever has caught the child's fancy. These are called high-interest activities. They make the child feel safe and understood. Watch how a therapist picks up on a child's interest. Shanvi wants to go back to the OT room to sit on the swing, something she had done before.
So then we address that. We say, okay, you want to sit on the swing, let's do this. You know, use a visual if need be.
Instead of insisting that Shanvi sit at a table, the therapist follows her to the swing.
Okay, now I'm sitting with Chaitali Didi. Let's swing together. Yeah, this is so.
Even though they are sitting with their backs to each other, engagement is happening. Sensory play can be a great starting point. Keep materials like water, paints and grains handy. Most children engage with these naturally. Initially, do not insist on sitting together. Just be present and talk to them. Engagement is not about making a child comply. It's about joining their world.